How to tag Facebook page in post. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and say, for example, that you wanted to write a post and you wanted to tag a Facebook page in that post. All what you need to do is you need to tap and write the @ icon, and after that write the name of the page, say for example this one right here, and Facebook will give you some suggestions that you can choose from. So click on the page that you want to tag, and by doing that, as you can see, the page has now been tagged in this post, and you can continue to edit your post as you usually do. Maybe you want to add some pictures, some emojis, some location, anything like that. And once you're done, just click on post at the top right corner, and that's it. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can tag Facebook pages in your posts. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.